Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the video. So here we are. Now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the video we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to pick the settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode we have at the first place the image stabilization option. By using button from the right we can turn it on and off as we need, like that. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.